Hello everyone, welcome today. Yesterday in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 19th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with 9 extra puzzles. So half of them I will solve. So today a lot of puzzles and Sudokus. And yeah, let me tell you something. Today, let me give you one tip. There are 6 easy tips to avoid failure. First tip: take daily action. Yes. Tomorrow I will tell you the second tip. But first, we'll solve this baby, and this one will be number 3,555. Yes, 3555. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits, one more than the one-star Sudoku. For the one-star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So maybe this one, 28, faster than 40 minutes. Well, I will try. So let's get started. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in the first row, so no 3 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8, we see here, 9, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then, how about 2? Okay. Then we see. Let me see. 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. Okay. In this row, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. But 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We see here 3 and a 1 in this big square, so no 3 and a 1 in this box. We see here 3 and a 1 in this column, so no 3 and a 1 in that box. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 1. Okay, so the other pair in the third row should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. So now 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. There's 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there, and all the 7's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Then, one number left in this first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay, so now we have 3 and a 1 as a pair. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and a 1. Then about 6, 8, 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We see here and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Alright. Alright. Then. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. Alright. 1 number left in this column. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Faster than 40 minutes. I've told you so. 28 printed digits. So must be faster than the 1-star Sudoku. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light Sudoku, for the coin tablet, for the killer Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the ladder Sudoku. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Remember the first tip I've told you: take daily action. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again later on in the evening with the rest of the puzzles in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.